This is the beginning of an epic decade of transformation and the reimagination of healthcare. And we've got healthcare reform, and we've got costs accelerating and chronic disease accelerating. Digital and mobile health is real, and it's actually transforming every aspect of healthcare. Truly the golden age. We've never before had access to capital and wisdom and talent and willing and able people.
I think it's the most worthy problem any entrepreneur can crack. I think it's also the greatest entrepreneur opportunity since the internet.
We are very excited about what's happening here in the United States, and we're at an historic moment, there's no question.
This is what is going to transform healthcare. By working together, by collaborating, by sharing expertise, by sharing resources.
We're a global network and academy for health and wellness entrepreneurs and all the innovators that want to participate in the reimagination of healthcare.
Our vision is to help build 1,000 scalable, sustainable businesses in health and wellness.
Fastest growing site in the health and wellness space for over 18 months.
Care coordination platform for senior healthcare.
Mobile health and wellness integration platform.
A teledermatology services company.
Online medical image sharing services.
Digital behavioral health.
Neurodiagnostic information out into the field.
Connect patients with doctors.
Wellness on demand company.
So all the things you're working on are really inspiring to me because they all are much more focused, much more scalable piece parts of what we tried to do all at once, all together for one specialty.
The reimagination of healthcare. Healthcare transformers connected together. Sharing what works and what doesn't work.
Being a part of a community, especially a startup community, gives you an amazing advantage over other folks that are out there.
They have a really great program for how to take startups to really think through from the idea phase to ramp up and scale. They've got amazing connections, and I think it's just an unbelievable group of folks.
Just through this community, I have a big team essentially where I could bounce ideas off of, learn from other people's experiences and mistakes.
There's a lot of institutional knowledge in the community of transformers that are here.
We've refined our technology, we've refined our customer development process. We have directly received cash because of introductions that happened in that room with our community. That's after 5 months.
This 360 attack in terms of fundraising, both in advice on how to approach it, both in assets and different templates for me to tap into, and even different people, different founders and entrepreneurs who literally walked me through my pitch.
I can come here every 90 days. I get put into a room and I have the absolute best people in the industry being walked into the room, being introduced, being able to talk to these people one-on-one, ask really important questions, get the kind of industry and market intelligence that I need to be able to run my business.
We get re-energized every 3 months to go back and push hard.
You get to save the world and create incredibly valuable companies all at the same time and have a blast doing it.
It really is a unique group of the top entrepreneurs that are really trying to disrupt healthcare, the healthcare space.
A location-agnostic long-term program that shares a network and a common curriculum. Truly, how could a solo entrepreneur, not part of this community, in any way, shape, or form accelerate and navigate the ecosystem as fast?
Being part of Startup Health means something to the healthcare community.
We're all benefiting from this at the end of the day, because forget about what our work lives are. We're all patients.
We've seen an acceptance of what startup health is, and that comes from both industry, government, and also from the clinical and private practice sectors.
It is a movement, and it is incredibly powerful. It's this energy that will drive change in the health system at a faster pace than ever before, and we need change to be driven at a faster pace than ever before.
I've always said it's entrepreneurs who are going to reinvent healthcare. And Startup Health is an amazing engine of entrepreneurship, and y'all actually are 45 individual reasons to me as to why they believe in the future of the health system in America.
Being part of the Startup Health Academy truly has validated 20 years body of work, and for that I'm forever grateful.